All right. So what's going on, Jay? Like, I'm not even gonna call. I really like Jay. I think he's really. As far as Jay, like, you actually made about $15,000 within your like first month or something like that, trading Forex. Am I right?
Correct.
And what's pretty interesting is you actually got a part of our organization, and you started to use the cloud to actually start making a good amount of your money, right?
Mm-hmm.
Um, at that point in time, you know, you made a good amount of money, but I want to ask you this, like, why, even though you made, you know, so much money in a short amount of time, why would you actually say, you know what, I'm actually going to take this course, even though I've made this much money, but why would you want to actually take the course? Because you actually did take the in-person course. Why would
Yeah.
you take it?
The main reason for me was understanding market structure was key to being better with indicators.
Mm-hmm.
Indicators are great. Using the cloud was great and everything, but the issue is with not understanding market structure, and your support, resistance, and whatnot, you're really just trading blind.
Mm-hmm.
Now, you can catch 10 pips, but doing that is very, very high risk. And as much money as I made, I lost a good amount of money too,
Mm-hmm.
which led me to try to find the better way to not only make the same amount of money, if not more, but minimize my risk while I was at it.
Yeah.
And that's what the course taught me. Market structure helped me minimize risk and really make my risk to reward ratio much, much higher than it was.
Good stuff. Yeah. So if anything, could you be able to like kind of expand on like your experience? Like, would you say that you really, really, I want to know, like, would you say that you really learned? Like, did it really sink in for you?
Yeah, it definitely did. Most definitely did. The knowledge was there, but just like most things, you have to practice it. That's all it was. Put it into practice, put it into the charts, put in the time, and everything starts connecting slowly.
Yeah.
I took the course back in October, pretty sure. So it's been a month and a half or so. But within that month, I took a $200 account, and like you said, that account is now sitting at around $800 or so. But I've made $700 in withdrawals. So I've been withdrawing every single week that the account is doing good.
Good.
I do believe it's now when it's starting to connect, but like you said, right after the course was when I was starting to really see market patterns. Now having stared at the charts every single day, 24 hours a day for a month and a half, it's when you really start seeing the patterns, the connections.
Good.
And I was looking at my charts yesterday actually, and I looked back to when I first started trading, and I'm like, damn, it's moved all of this in a month and a half. There's been so many moves, and really these are things that you don't see when you're just trading with indicators and then the now.
Yeah. Got it, man. So I think that is so cool. The fact that you took a $200 account and you built it 4 times, and that's the money that's sitting in the account, but you've also been able to withdraw 2.5 times at the same time.
Correct.
So believe me, I really appreciate it, and I'm excited for you to keep on growing and to be able to actually make something big happen for you and your family. So thank you very much.
I'm excited too, bro.
Good.